Hello friends, my name is Amit and in this video I'm going to discuss about the Composer 60 error, which is like normally which we are seeing like this. How we are going to resolve the HTTPS connectivity, checking the GitHub read fail because of this. And another one is like Composer version check and the Composer and its dependencies for vulnerabilities, how we are going to resolve this issue. So first of all, you have to, and this is mainly because of the mostly due to the antivirus, or in my computer, but personally, it is like due to the not an antivirus. So how I have resolved, maybe it will help you. So just simply copy all these URLs and open your antivirus settings. Simply go to the settings, save web, and then go to the exclusion and you will add this URL. So it will automatically add this star mark. So leave it, no issue. And then you simply just copy this part, make a copy of that, add this part also, and then you simply again going to make a copy of that, and and finally this one. And then you simply just go and try to check it one more time. Voila. Now this problem like HTTPS and then the GitHub limit rate and the what it is called the version update and other vulnerability related everything is resolved. So hopefully this quick solution will probably solve your problem also. Thank you.